And on Instagram, I am Connor Cammy. And Vine, I don't remember what I am. I think I'm just Connor. This is an alleyway. Or at least that's what we call it. I don't think it's an actual alleyway. You guys see him? I saw him. Alright guys, this is about to be... Oop. Quick, I dropped it. It's about to be a big battle between the bros. Alright, you see his feet? I see him. Okay. We're walking towards him. We're gonna get him. We're gonna kill him. Or we're not gonna kill him because there's no killer. Hey Maddox. Do you know what I said to them? We're gonna have a bunch of battles, and in the comments tell them who wins. Who thinks won.
What?
I told them that in the comments that... Oh crap. I told them that in the comments to tell us who they thought won. Ooh. Multiplying dividing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, missed. Are you out? Hey, don't pick up my ammo. Oh! Do you guys see that? Do you hear that? Ah, close. Close, guys. How long until he gives up? That one didn't have a tip. Okay, guys, one more shot to end it. I'm giving him the big guns. Doing it in the bottom. The bottom's the center one. You see that? They whistle. I never knew they whistled. Oh, he's out of bullets. Or is he? I don't know. Ow. Guys, I don't know who's going to win. I have one more that I'm going to shoot at him. And then I'm going to start. Crap. Ooh! That's an ending for this round. You alright?
I'm good. I need a new gun. That one sucks.
What about the blue gun? Go through the garage. They locked it.
Yeah, well, they don't want us in the garage.
Well, then that stinks for them because they shouldn't have locked it if they don't want us in the garage. And tell them that exactly. Just go close the garage when you get in and unlock it. The door up front. Okay, guys, I'm picking up this ammo. Guys, that was the end of the first round. We're going on to our second one since he's getting a new gun. Alright.
You're the only one that saw zombie.
Yeah, you only use zombie stroke. I only use the stickies on the big gun. See, I told you this rebel gun works. Hey guys. We're gonna go in opposite directions this time. You'll go that way, I'll go this way. You went that way last time. I'll go that way this time. You go the other way. Oh, okay. I won't find it. I don't care about that item. Whoops. Oh, he missed. Did you see that big miss, guys? All right, guys. I'm going to move on. And we're going to do a new battle. Because I finally found him. This next round should be easier because I know where he hides now. Otherwise, that was really hard. That took a while. You guys still paying attention? Because this is a new part of the video. I didn't tell you guys because I had to stop it and edit it. It's not going to allow me to go over. I think it's 10 minutes, is it? They're not allowed to go over on a vlog or comedy skit. I don't know. This is comedy. Honestly, it's not a vlog. That's not what I count it as. My channel's a comedy channel. So, whatever. Even gaming, I try to make comedy. Even if you don't hear my voice, which you should because I have a headset. It's usually comedy. Okay, I don't know if he left, but I'm gonna make this easy so we can have another war. Because I only want to make this at most 3 videos. So I don't know how many battles we're doing. Probably 3-ish. This thing has a lot of storage on it too. So I like using his camera. My camera doesn't have as much storage. Are we gonna have another war right here?
Go that way, run. Run, hide.
I'm not gonna run. Camera's gonna fall if I run. We're gonna have a war right here. There's people there, we don't have a war there. So I'm gonna go over here. Oh! Oh crap, ow, I just hurt myself. Oh. Just got shot in the head, that's what it would look like. That's what it looked like when I got shot in the head. Just tilted sideways. Oh, did that bounce off? Oh! Slick. Slim fit. I'm going heavy artillery. I'm sorry, if we were inside, this would be more epic because we could do more stunts. But we make too much noise when we have a war. So we have to go outside. That's why, if you're wondering, we're outside now. Plus, we have more hiding spaces. Even though it's just 2 people. Oh! Oh, that was slick! Alright, guys, I'm starting to run out of ammo. I have 3 left. Oh crap! How many battles do you want to do in the war? Really? All right, guys, this is gonna be the last battle for this Nerf gun video. This is probably by now. It's probably part 3 of the video. I don't know, guys. Correct me in the comments if you'd like. I don't care. I hate when it shoots 2 because it doesn't shoot the second one as far. So subscribe, like, and comment what you'd like to see next. I'm out, guys. I'm out. This is the end for me. Oh, right in the arm. I'm not picking up any more bullets either. Come on, guys. You think I could dodge this? Alright, that was a really bad shot. Come on, I gotta dodge this.
He's gonna stay.
Oh, he hit me. I gotta get closer so I can shank him. Oh. Oh. Most action you've seen all day, guys. Oh, I'm about to fall. Go the other way. There he is. That was a really bad shot. Ooh, it's a sticky. This is what I shoot. Guys, I'm sorry. This camera's sideways right now. Huh.
Got him.
Shot him. Multiply and divide. Ooh. So close to. Ah. Legit MLG. spend the...
Oh.
Guys. What do you think of this video? Ooh, please tell me.
We're done. Okay.
I'm about to... Boom!
I beat you.
It doesn't matter. It's what you got.
Subscribe. Who do you think won?
Like.
I'm Maddox. He's Connor.
So type in
Like.
hashtag Connor, hashtag Maddox in the comments. And like or subscribe if you already haven't. And we have a giant mess to clean up, and I don't think you want to see it. So, goodbye, and see you later tonight.
And this is Random Videos.
Boy. This is probably part 3 of the video. And